That was cool. Went straight down. I don't know what it looks like, but we'll find out. Yeah, it was kind of weird. Tinkerbell. Zipping around everywhere now. That was a really strange entity that I captured there for a second. I want to tag that and look at that for real. Tinkerbell, what you doing? There's an orb right there. Hanging out. What's up, buddy? You gonna run off? Hang out. Turn a little infrared to see it. Damn, that thing's fast. I take it you don't like the infrared. Just allow me to see it better. That's all.